She's making me do this.
I'm here with my husband to review the worm drive skill saw, and I don't know anything about it, so he's going to take it away.
We have a SKIL saw worm drive Jobsite table saw. I like this particular table saw because it has a lot of different features where you can basically stow everything on it. Right here you have adjustment for the blade up and down. You have easy adjustment for cuts from anywhere from 0 to 45 degrees. The power button's here, easy to reach. You have the push block for the material, and then your fence is right on here, so everything just stows on the unit whenever you're ready to use it. Now we're going to show you the back side. You have the easy to store miter gauge. You have your tools to be able to add and remove blades. You have your sawdust extraction port, your safety guard, and then your power cable is easy to stow here. After you're done using the saw, it's easy to put back up in place.